As a student, I know how hard it is to test and how hard it is to study for a test. But today, in my speech, I'm going to give you 6 simple ways to study the best way for a test. Here's one. Step one. Give yourself enough time to study. Don't wait until the last minute. While some students may thrive on last minute cramming, it's not the best way to approach an exam. Set a reasonable time for you to study each day. Write down how many exams you have and the days in which you take them. Then organize your studies accordingly. You may want to give some exams more time to study than others, so find a balance that you feel good with. Reason 2. Organize your study space. Most of us as teenagers are real cluttered in our lives. Some of us don't know how to organize things properly. But make sure you have enough space to spread out your materials. Textbooks, notes, laptops maybe, pencils, and paper. But do you have enough light? Are you comfortable enough in your chair? Is your computer game out of sight? Get rid of all distractions. Make sure you feel as comfortable as possible and able to focus. For some people, this means almost complete silence. For others, background music can't help. Some of us need everything completely tidy to organize in order to concentrate, while others may thrive in a more cluttered environment. Think about what works right for you. Reason use flowcharts and diagrams. Visual aids are really helpful when studying for a test. And start with the topic, challenge yourself to write down everything you already know, and then highlight where gaps lie. Close to the exam, condense your revision notes into one-page diagram. Get ready to brief your ideas down to a point where you can quickly recall everything you need to know during the exam. Number 4. Practice an old exam. One of the most effective ways to prepare for an exam is practicing taking past versions. Usually past versions have exact examples of questions that are on the new test. This helps you get used to the format of questions, and if you time yourself, it can be good practice for making sure you spend the right amount of time on each section. Way 5. Explain their answers to others. Siblings, if you have any, and parents are not always hard to deal with when you are doing homework. Use it to your advantage. Explain an answer to a question to them. It'll help you get a clear head and also help them with their knowledge. And you can highlight any areas we need more work at. And finally, step 6. Take regular breaks. While it is best to study for as many hours as you possibly can, it actually can be counterproductive. If you were training for a marathon, you wouldn't try and run 24 hours a day now, would you? Likewise, studies have shown that for a long-term retention of knowledge, taking regular breaks really helps. Well, take a 5-10 minute break in between time. Who knows? Maybe it can help you study better in the future. Thank you.